the country singer that won't be gagged. Superstar Carrie Underwood has taken to Twitter to vent out her rage against Tennessee lawmakers who passed a so-called ag-gag bill on April 18th. According to Us Weekly, the Grammy Award-winning star has taken issue with a controversial bill that requires anyone recording images of animal abuse to submit the footage to authorities within 48 hours. Like many other animal rights activists, Underwood has raised eyebrows over how short that deadline actually is, and worries that the legislation will lead to less animal cruelty reports. The 30-year-old blown-away singer tweeted, "Shame on Tennessee lawmakers for passing the ag-gag bill. If Governor Bill Haslam signs this, he needs to expect me at his front door. Who's with me?" Well, apparently not State Representative Andy Holt, who had this to say to Underwood's tweet in an interview with WSMV's Carly Gordon.
Carrie Underwood even joined in the debate. She and the bill's sponsor, Representative Andy Holt, went head-to-head in a sort of Twitter war.
Carrie Underwood will stick to singing, then I'll stick to lawmaking.
Ouch. But Underwood didn't let Holt have the last word. After seeing the interview, she took to the battleground of Twitter again and vented in 140 characters. "I should stick to singing. Wow. Sorry, I'm just a tax-paying citizen concerned for the safety of my family." It should be pointed out in the governor's interview with WSMV, he does clarify the intention of his stance, saying, "I think what we need to do is make sure and recognise that if animals are being abused, it needs to come to justice, and it needs to come to justice quickly." I think we've all learned that you can't put a gag on a voice as big as Underwood's.